Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you a really easy one-pot meal that has rice, chicken, broccoli, and cheese. Let's go. Okay, we're going to take a break from our project today to make some lunch because I am hungry. So we're going to get this started by prepping our ingredients, and I'm going to cut up my veggies first so I don't have to change knives when I cut up the chicken. The onion had some bad spots on it, so we don't have a lot of onion to work with, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and put some olive oil in the bottom of my pan here. It's not on the heat yet because I'm just using my stove as my workspace, but we can get our onions added in and get them out of the way. And then I've got this big bag of tender stem broccoli that I need to use up, so I'm just going to cut this up nice and small. I like the stems, so I'm going to add those in. Okay, get our broccoli in there. And now I have chicken thighs that I'm going to cut into bite-sized pieces. This will just help them cook a little bit faster, and everything will kind of be the same size for when we actually eat it. If there's a big chunk of fat, I'm going to go ahead and cut that off. You could definitely use chicken breast if you wanted to. This is just what I had, and it needs to be used up in the next few days. Alright, we're going to get our burner turned on and get this started. And I'm going to add in a half a stick of butter. And I'm going to add in a pinch or two of my homegrown crushed red pepper. I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Okay, our chicken is mostly cooked through. It doesn't have to be totally done yet because we're going to simmer this all with water and rice. So, I said water. We're going to do 4 cups of water, but really it should be chicken stock. So, I'm going to add some chicken bouillon to make my water into chicken stock. Alright, we're going to let this get back up to a boil before we add our rice. Okay, now that we're back up to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cups of white rice, and I'm using basmati rice. And we're just going to mix this in so everything is coated. Alright, we're going to go ahead and cover this and turn our heat down to about medium-high to let this simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, it has been about 20 minutes. So I'm going to give this a stir and just check and see if the rice is cooked. And it looks like it is, so we'll turn the heat off. Alright, I'm going to add about a cup or so of heavy cream and a nice big handful, so probably a cup of shredded cheese. And we will mix this together. I'm going to add a little more cream because it's just a little bit dry, so I probably added about 2 cups of cream. And there we go, a quick and easy one-pot lunch, cheesy broccoli and chicken rice, I don't know, casserole? Is this a casserole? Whatever it is, it smells delicious and I am excited to try it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys, bye!